Good morning, Ms. Mack here. It is time for mindfulness. Again, today we are going to go back to some of our original mindfulness activities, um, not just the dream worlds, which are great. But I think we need to remember some of the other techniques we've talked about in the past. So today we're going to do the mindfulness activity. This is one of my favorites. It seems silly, but it's really not. It's so helpful. It's when you kind of just plug your ears and you just listen to your own breath. It's just very relaxing um, and very calming. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to give you about 2 minutes to close your eyes, look down. I want everybody to participate. All you're doing is you're just closing your eyes and you're listening to your own breathing. You really shouldn't be able to hear much else because it's really loud when you close your ears. Your breathing is really loud, which makes it even better because it's like you can't really get too distracted, especially if you're looking down or closing your eyes. So let's take 2 minutes starting now. All right, guys, that was good. It really did take me, I don't know about you, the full 2 minutes to really calm down. I was a little distracted at first looking at things, so sometimes it does help just to close your eyes. But it was so loud just listening to my breath that it was really calming. So think about what zone you're in now. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.